Welcome to ITMA 2023 in Milan. In the past 4 years, since 2019 in Barcelona, the world has experienced numerous transformation and disruptions. Therefore, ITMA 2023 moves under the theme Transforming the World of Textiles. Although quite an ambitious goal for the world's largest textile and garment exhibition, it ensures and enables the continuous growth of this very important industry on a global scale. Transformation has many different meanings. They have two common denominators: innovation and sustainability. ITMA 2023 in Milan will bring together the global textile industry, and together they will ensure a bright future for this industry on a worldwide scale.
We will demonstrate the most innovative technologies. We will have the best networking and collaboration opportunities to shape the future of our textile industry. I invite you to join us, to be part of our textile community. Welcome to the ITMA.